Say hi.
Hi.
Today, Rylie has, these are from Amazon. They're wooden jigsaw puzzles. It comes with, I believe, 6 of them. There's 6 pictures. We have a bear, an owl, a frog, a crab, a butterfly, and a ladybug. Are you excited, Rylie? Mm-hmm. Can you sit right here? Let's see. Sit right there. Yeah, please.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, let's see.
Okay.
Ooh, okay, so there's 6 in here and they're individually wrapped. You want to do, let's see, which one might be easy? This one? How cute are these? Okay, let's do the froggy. Here, let's put this one aside. We'll take it out of the plastic.
Oh.
Right, can you say frog?
So.
Good girl. Look. All right. I don't know if Rylie will like wooden puzzles. I hope she will.
So.
Frog. Good girl. Mm-hmm. Just like that? How about if we take them all out? Do you know how to do it? We can take the eyes out. Okay. Uh-oh, now where do all the pieces go? Wow, you're right. How about the eyes? No, they go right here, silly. Eye. Rylie, where's your eye? How about we put them right here? There you go. Yeah. Right there. There you go. Good job. Mm-hmm. Where's that part of the frog? Wow. Yeah, you're right. Where does that one go? Yay! Again?
Okay.
Okay. Here you go. Frog. Frog. Ooh, you started with the same one. Good. Yeah, that one goes over here. There you go. Yay! Good job, beautiful. It goes here. Yeah, the eye. Gotta put it up there. Ooh, where does the leg go? Yay! And the other eye. I don't know why you think the eye goes there. You're silly. Yay! Okay, I think you should try the crab next. Can you say crab?
Okay.
Okay.
Hi.
All right, let's see. So here's the crab. Very cute, huh, Rylie? Let's get them all out. All right, where did the pieces go? Yay! Uh-oh, I think those, yeah, there you go. You got it. Good job, Rylie. Maybe we should turn this one over like this. There. Yay! Does that fit there? Yes, it does. Say, look at my crab. I made it. Again. Okay, where did they go? Oh, do this one first and then we'll switch, okay?
Frog.
Frog. Good girl. Okay, go sit down. Sit here, please. Rylie wanted the ladybug. And that's the last one we'll do, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Here, I'll let you explore with it first. And Mama will put this one away. Here, scoot up. Ooh, is this one tough? Here, let's put the eyes in first. Maybe that'll help you. There. Put the eyes in first. Oh, this one's tough, Rylie. You picked a tough one. There, like this. Can you put that one in there?
Okay.
Almost. You almost did it. Okay. Hey, Rylie, do Mommy a favor. Hey, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Do you like these?
Okay.
Do you like it?
Okay.
Okay, I like it. Okay, Rylie, say bye one more time.
Bye.
Say thank you for watching. Please subscribe.
Bye.